MEMC is a leading provider of silicon for the electronic industry and recently for the solar industry. So solar industry is becoming more and more important to us, adding to the traditional sector of electronic industry. We use mainly Ansys software for two different sides of our activities. One is for design optimization. So for designing new equipment, we use the software for developing new reactors and new technologies, and definitely then for developing the process, optimizing the process after the startup. So we have used the software from both perspectives, design and optimization.
Simulations and mathematical modeling, computer-aided, are used to validate ideas that we want to implement to new equipment, or to check possible viable modifications to existing equipment. When I mention equipment, basically what I mean are reactors to produce polysilicon and to treat gases, and heat exchangers or piping or parts of equipments. Generally for new equipments, when we start a project, simulations are considered to be there before freezing a layout or ordering equipments, and also to optimize the existing equipment, such as a reactor, as I mentioned. CFD simulations or mathematical modeling is always there. It's the best tool and fastest tool to get reliable results in terms of which way to go to improve performance of existing equipments. When we decided to look for a tool to make some studies in terms of mathematical modeling or fluid dynamics studies, what we were looking for was a package which was able to handle different type of modelings in terms of fluid dynamics coupled with chemistry, coupled with heat transfer, because this is what is required for our projects or for the purpose that we wanted to approach a tool like that one. Ansys had the capability to put all these type of simulations in one single system, and this is what led us to pick Ansys as the preferred package. And this is also the same reason why now we are using Ansys also to have mechanical simulations that we want to couple with heat transfer and CFD. Ansys, in terms of capability to integrate these different simulations and in terms of quality of results, was the preferred choice. Basically, we use Ansys tools to try to study fluid dynamics, heat transfer, kinetics. Why? Generally is because these are the three factors that determines the output of our CVD reactors and our process. So the quality of a product we make is mainly affected by these three parameters, which is how gases move inside our reactors, how the heat is transferred inside the equipment, and how energy is spent in which terms, in which amount. This is because when we want to improve the quality of a product or improve efficiency of actual reactors or equipment, we really need to understand how gases, how our fluids moves and behaves inside our current machines. Ansys has been very much useful in designing new reactors, new equipment. Say that without Ansys tools, we would go blind in designing new or making modification to existing equipment.